Hi, I'm Ellie from Klum House, and I'm going to show you how to use the rivet removal tool to remove a magnetic snap rivet. So let's get started. The first thing I want to show you is that this is a regular magnetic snap, and this is a magnetic snap rivet, and it actually sets like a rivet too. So I just want to make sure we're talking about the same thing. They might look the same on one side, but with this one, you actually don't set it with a mallet, and you just push it through the fabric and use this washer. So this is a regular magnetic snap. That's not what we're working with. So I'm going to toss that over there. And we'll be working with a magnetic snap rivet. So the tools that I'll be using is a rivet removal tool, a poly punching board, so it's really important to have that under your tool, a mallet, and I also have pliers over here in case we need to use those. So here's a magnetic snap rivet, and let me just show you the other side. So that's how it works there. So I'm just gonna focus on removing this one side. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is put my poly punching board under here, and I'm gonna find either the smallest hole or second to smallest hole in my rivet removal tool bed here, and just align that with the magnet part here. Now it's gonna feel a little bit slippery and sloppy, but we just wanna make sure that's over the hole there. And then I'm gonna gently lay that down, hold it in place, and grab the pin punch, and the goal is to punch a hole through the cap here. So again, this is gonna feel slippery, so try to get that aligned as much as possible in the center and with a lot of pressure there, and this is vertically aligned. Then I'm gonna grab my mallet, I'm gonna push, hit this so that it pushes a hole through the cap. Okay, so actually you could see it just come right off right when I push the hole through like that. So I didn't end up needing my pliers, but for some reason, if you do need to go in with pliers, you can actually use them to pull off the other side there. So basically, puncturing a hole in the cap, it works just like when I'm removing a double cap rivet. It releases the set rivet part, and then both sides just come apart. So if you want to see that one more time, let's do it on this side. So I'm gonna hold it on here, lay that down, put this in the middle with a lot of pressure. Hit it until I get a puncture, and then it just slides right off that side. Oh, and sometimes I do use this, the pliers, to pull the cap off if it's stuck.
Go.
And there you go. That's how you use a rivet removal tool to remove a magnetic snap rivet.